guys, it's me, Risa. Just wanted to share some of my Costco finds that I bought today, depending on when you're watching this, of course. So let's start off with the fruit. Clementines, sweet and delicious, great snack any time of day. Grapes, these green grapes are amazing. They are super, super crispy. And a tip, once they get a little bit soft or too soft, stick them in your freezer. And you can also do my sour grapes at Risa Weiner YouTube. Super easy and delicious. I've never bought this from Costco, but you get two of them. Lemon juice that I love to use for my salad dressings or in my salad. Another tip for you is to use some of the lemon juice before you add your dressing, and then it spreads it out. Okay, and then you don't have to use as much. That's my tip. I love having that. And of course I use them in my muffins, in my banana bread, in so many of recipes. I love having this available to me. And you get two for, I think it was like $5. I have not bought these for a long time, but I love the Madjool Dates. It's the best price in town compared to anywhere else. And they are super sweet and delicious. And they are a great snack, but also to use to make some nice protein balls, which I intend to do. So 2 pounds. And again, it's a great alternative if you have a sweet tooth like me. To have one or two, okay, because they're very, very large. Here is the lettuce. Thank God it's not as expensive as it was, but still a good price for the amount of romaine lettuce that you can get. And I love using this, of course, for my salads, or I make wraps with it, for my burgers, for my tuna, for my egg, chicken, okay, and just use your imagination. So the other thing that I found that I never bought there is the Everything Bagel Seasoning. And you get this huge jar, also a very good price. I usually buy it at the bulk stores, but it's way more expensive. And this was a great price. For my vegetables, this time I bought Brussel sprouts, and they're huge. I cut them in half. And I have a few recipes, of course, on my YouTube channel, and you can find them, but you can air fry them, you can boil them, you can roast them. And like I said, I like cutting them in half because you get more that way and they're easier to eat. And they get crispier depending unless you boil them. The mini cucumbers, what a great price, only like $5. And because I was buying them at Walmart, but I can't believe how many you get. And this is a great snack, again, any time of day. You can make a dip. You can just eat it like that. Add it to your salads. I have tons of salad recipes. And of course, broccoli. You can make my broccoli tots. And you can add that to your quiches, your omelettes, your salads. I have so many recipes, okay? And anything green is really, really healthy to have, especially broccoli. For those of you that need that extra fiber, buy broccoli, my friends. Another tip. And I've never bought the avocado oil spray. I usually use olive oil spray, but so many people have recommended that. So, I like to hear what other people have to say as well. And, it's going to be fantastic because I can use that as well. And you get two of them, okay? And good price at Costco. And they also had the large garlic powder, which, I love lots of spices, a lot. The other thing right now, depending on when you go, I needed sports bras. The Puma, two of them for $14.99. No, I don't work for Costco, but I just, depending again when you watch this, but I'll be posting it soon or today, depending when you're watching it again. But right now, so I bought two of them. So you get four, and they're really nice material. And also, I like the way that you can move the straps. Removable cups, of course, because I don't need that. And adjustable. That was the word I was looking for. You know, sometimes I forget. Don't get old, my friends. So here's again the clementines, the grapes, the lemon juice, the lettuce, the Madjool dates, the everything spice, the avocado oil, the Brussels sprouts, the cucumbers, the broccoli, and the garlic powder, and of course my bras, which I had to get in there. Now I also went to Marshall's, and I wanted to just show you my favorite company, one of my favorites, not my only favorite, because I love Smart Sweets, of course, but my other favorite is the Olivia and Leo, and the wine gums are amazing. And I've never tried these strawberry worms, but again, I have a sweet tooth, and sometimes you just need something to get the edge off, especially after dinner. I don't know when you have a sweet tooth, but mine is usually after dinner, and I like having some. And they're 7 pieces are only 40 calories for this one. These are quite large, and for 4 pieces are 50 calories. So anyways, I usually have about 8 pieces, which is about 100 calories. And there is any sugar? I don't believe there is sugar. There's no sugar. No sugar added, of course. So no sugar added to these. So this is my Costco and my Marshalls, but also they sell this brand at HomeSense. Okay, so if you want to get that and try them, but also my Smart Sweets I love as well. You can get online, code Risa for extra percentage off. And that is it. I hope this was helpful. Please share, comment, like, and if you buy any of these products and you make something interesting, I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Oh, and I just want to mention another tip. I add fruit, like both of these, to my salads as well, okay? I mean, you can make a fruit salad, but honestly, cut the grapes up, peel the little clementines and add them to your salad for a little bit of sweetness and satisfaction. I absolutely love them. Okay, take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.